Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be tackling the fridge, not the whole fridge, the door, all of this right here, the doorway, or the door right there, see it right there, all of that. So we're going to take all of this out and then wipe it all down, and then we'll go from there. But if you haven't seen my other video, I just did the cleaning out of this. Holy cow. It was a lot of mess. It was filthy, it was dirty, it was disgusting, and then now I like rearranged it a little bit and then whatever. So let's get started with the door and then we can get this done. So I'm going to take everything out first. So that's what you should do. I stopped. I'm like, no. And they like to mess with stuff. So I have no clue where everything is now. Like before, I cleaned it out before, and then everyone like made a mess here. Are you kidding me? This butter was open. It's hard. Okay, so let's tackle that with spray. Just like that. Right now I'm going to take a paper towel. It wasn't that bad than the shelves. Grabbing another one. Alright, now let's put everything back in the refrigerator. The ice cream stuff, the ice cream syrup and everything. I have hiccups. This down here. Syrup is gonna go up there. And then horseradish. Pickles, mustard and butter. Here's another mustard. Here's taco sauce. We'll have this with it, buy it, and buy it. We'll have this here, have this here. We'll have this there, there. We'll have, it won't fit. We're really gonna have to put this somewhere else because we need ranch. Pickles, and then we'll have ketchup, mayonnaise, then we'll have those ones together, ranch, there's syrup there, we have that one there, I have this here, I have this here. Am I missing anything? I don't know. So that was like a lot, but I was like speedy fast. Well, try to be like really speedy fast, but some of them are breakable stuff, and I don't want to break them, like drop them and break them and have a big mess to clean. And so, yeah. And I've already cleaned the back room, and I'm like, oh dang it, I should have waited. But hopefully next time or whatever I can show you how I do the back room and clean and everything. But yeah, and probably the living room and dining room and stuff like that, but not all in one, but like in different videos or whatever. So yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.